Hello everyone, I am Garima Mittal from Team Techeletes. Today I'm incredibly excited to present a solution that is DNACommerce, which we have built for the Walmart Sparkathon. It is all about redefining how the people shop using something truly personal, that is their DNA. So without having much further delay, let's get started. Imagine if your shopping app already knew what your body needs before you even searched for it, not because of what you clicked, but because of your DNA. So, welcome to the DNA Commerce, the future of truly personal shopping. We have chosen a theme that is reimagining customer experience with emerging technology, and our focus is on the most personal layer of data, that is your DNA. Our mission is to revolutionize health, skincare and nutrition recommendations using your genetic blueprint. So now, before deep diving into the project, please meet some of our crew members of Team Techeletes. That is Garima Mittal, that is me, and then we have Shrikari, then we have Somali, and last but not the least, we have Sasmita. So now let us see what is our current problem statement is. So the problem these days is that the online stores guess what you want based on your past clicks or purchases, but those guesses can be wrong, especially when it comes to skincare, food or health. It matters a lot these days. So let us see why it matters, because most of the customers nowadays want deep personalization, and most of the returns, that is 42%, happen due to mismatched needs, and also because product these days often ignore genetic predispositions like lactose intolerance, vitamin deficiencies, sleep disorders, and skin sensitivity. So here comes our solution of this problem. For this problem, we have built a DNA Commerce, which is a retail-based experience on the genetic level. We have created a tailored shopping journeys based on customers' DNA traits and its various lifestyle factors and epigenetic factors like stress, skin type, and dietary needs. So now, what exactly our DNA Commerce does? Our DNA Commerce accepts either the DNA profile, or if you don't have a DNA profile, it accepts a quiz which is currently related to the DNA based traits also, and then it maps the traits to the tag product categories, and then finally it builds a genotype card, which is a personalized shopping list which is just fit for your health and lifestyle. So now let us see that how it works, or what is its current architecture. For the input purpose, you just have to either upload your DNA report, or if you don't have it, you can take a stimulated quiz, and then our AI engine, which is present there in our website, it parses over 50 traits, and then it maps each response to the curated metadata. For example, if you are having vitamin D deficiency, then it maps to the sunlight therapy lamps, and then finally we get the output, that is we get the personalized recommendations based on our genotype traits. And also there is an additional feature of feedback loop which takes the suggestions and next time it enhances the user experience. For the tech stack, we have used React for the front end, we have also used the Tailwind CSS for the front end purposes, and then we have used the Flask for the connectivity, and we have used JSON-DB for the database. And also this project has a lot of future scope. For that, it has OpenAI for the further improvements, and also it is also a AWS, that is Amazon Web Services ready deployment. Now, before proceeding ahead, let us have a quick demo. Yeah, so this is our screen, and in this we will see how to log in and sign up. There are two buttons, one for login and another for sign up purposes. So since I am logging on this website for the first time, so I will first sign up. So let me select a name. For example, let me select Pooja here, and for the email, let me type it as mno@gmail.com. Yeah, it's fine. And then I have to choose a password. The password must be of 8 digits. So I will write simply I will write Pooja @1 2, and then sign up. Now after sign up, then we have to use our email which we have used for sign up purpose, that is mno@gmail.com. Yeah, and then here we have to type the password which we have taken, that is Pooja @1 2. Now we will log in. Yeah, so this is our interface. Here we will take the DNA, since currently the either user can upload the DNA report, or he or she can just take up this small quiz, and then finally the AI engine will analyze the things based on their DNA traits. So currently I'm not having my DNA report, so I will take this current short quiz related to my body type. So for the skin type, my skin type, I will select as sensitive. Okay, and for the pigmentation, yeah, I have pigmentation problem. And for the physiopathic prototype, yes, indeed I'm very fair. And for the skin hair type, my hair is curly hair. And for the scalp conditions, I have dry scalp And then for the daily sun exposure, my sun exposure, yeah, I don't be in the sun for much more time. Yeah, no, my sun exposure is very much. So if I will select 30 to 60 minutes here. Now the typical climate, yeah, indeed this is hot nowadays, so I've selected here hot. For the activity level, my activity level is like I'm very active. And for the sleep quality, my sleep quality is like very poor these days. And now I have like a primary health goal is my to gain some energy, yeah, energy boost. And caffeine intake, yes, it is like it is greater than 3 mg per day, I like to take coffees and all. And for the hydration purpose, like I take 5 glass of water these days. And for the dietary intolerance, I am having a gluten intolerance, not lactose one. And for the vitamin supplements, yeah, I like vitamin C. Yeah, yes, I like vitamin C supplements. And then for the body shape, my body shape is a type of athletic, yeah. And for the problem, I have this body acne. And then I have this body acne. I can select or multiple select. I can also have multiple problems. So currently I'm taking this body acne only. And like any pain or something, yes, I am having any pain. No any pain I am having. So if I don't have any pain and something, I can select none. Or either here I will select, yeah, no, I don't have any pain right now, not in neck and all. So for the injury history, no, I haven't. If I don't have any injuries, so I will select none here. For the posture, no, I have a good mild back pain. And for the weight, yeah, my weight I can set it to 55, and my height it is 155 centimeter. Now analyze my profile. Now you can see here that the engine is has done its task, and here is the list of personalized products. Like based on these are the filters which we choose. Like these are our DNA traits which we have given earlier, and on the basis of this you can see a list of recommendations. Here it is our best recommendations. That is, this product is recommended to us. Why? Because I needed adequate hydrations, and this is also because of hydration. This is all because I needed hydration, and this clay cleanser is recommended to me because my skin color is of physiopathic prototype first. That is why I have been recommended this product. And this, since I have pigmentation problems, so this has recommended to me to for the pigmentation solving purpose. And then for the food recommendation, remember that I have given the choice, like I am intolerant to gluten, and also it has given gluten free cookies. And these cookies also don't contain gluten. These are the products like they have recommended me because I am having like a gluten intolerance and all. So like you can see that here is a personalized list of products here. That is why it is recommended. And also like if you it is all recommendations, and if you want to see only recommendations which are related to sensitive skin, so you can see here. For the pigmentation purpose, you can see here. And for the physiopathic prototype first I selected, you can see here. For curly, you can see all the products related to curly one only type. So these are personalized filters which you can put it here. And okay, and like what if I want to change my inputs, so I will select this button, edit my inputs. And again if suppose I choose my skin type as oily, okay, and I do some changes in this form, and then I again select like analyze my body type. So again it has changed the recommendations, and now it is giving me the recommendations because on our my selections you can see oily here, and here it has recommended this because I have selected oily. So if you want to these are all the recommendations, and if you want to add this to cart, you can simply click on add to cart. And I want to add this to cart also, so you can see here that it is getting added, and from the cart I can see these are the products. Let us see how our project is innovative, scalable, and creative. So first of all, let us see why it is innovative. Because it is the first ever concept that uses the biological data for the customer retail, and also it gives personalized suggestions from reactive to proactive and predictive. And why it is scalable? So some of its scalable use cases are it goes beyond the retail. It can extend to skincare, nutrition, fashion, health gadgets, and many more. And it can also integrated with APIs like 23Me and other DNA APIs also. And you can also see that nowadays customers are very much curious about their health and all. So it is the best time to take DNACommerce as one of the things. Now let us see what impact it has on the Walmart. So first of all, the Walmart has the first mover advantage because till now no other companies has implemented this kind of feature. So if the Walmart implements it, it becomes the first ever global retail dealer to use the DNA data for personalized shopping. And since this thing is totally based on personalized recommendations based on body types, so there are less likely chances that the customers will return their product. So it will return in a less number of returns from the customer side. And also since it is based on personalized experience, so it builds the customer trust and loyalty also. And Walmart can launch Walmart Wellness ID for personalized offers and loyalty points. And also this has a huge business scope because it enables the subscription boxes like business model also. You can use trade based product bundles also, and DNA based upskilling also. Now, let us see what holds next to our project. Now, we are expanding to enhance the privacy and ethical compliance by ensuring all the user data is handled by GDPR and CCPA compliant encryption and transparency. And we are also thinking of launching a DNA based subscription boxes based on monthly and quarterly product bundles. And also, this can be go beyond the retail to mental wellness sector, also fitness gear sector, also, and for home decor, also. And also, last but not the least, we can also develop a mobile friendly user experience where the user can access to the DNA based shopping anywhere in any corner of the world. So thank you so much. And if you want to see our GitHub repository, please scan this QR code. On scanning this, you can view our entire GitHub repository. And if you want to see our project live dashboard, so you can scan this QR code and just copy and paste the URL on the web browser, and then you can press enter, and then you can see the live dashboard. So my friends, I can say that this project DNA Commerce has a huge scope, because it is not just smart shopping, it is helpful and built around you, because you are the one in 3 billion, so your store should be too. So let's take a pledge to make every shopping cart a genetic signature. Thank you so much for your time.